Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of nutritious and delicious recipes. Did you know that spinach and avocado are two of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? These green powerhouses are not only packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but also offer a myriad of health benefits that can transform your diet. Spinach is packed with iron, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood cells, while avocado is loaded with healthy fats and fiber that support heart health and digestion. Together, they make a powerhouse combo for your body. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and nutrients that keep you going strong. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. All right, have you ever tried a green smoothie? If not, you're in for a delightful surprise today. If you haven't, you're in for a treat today. Green smoothies are not only incredibly nutritious, but also surprisingly delicious when made right. Introducing the Spinach Avocado Smoothie. This isn't just any green smoothie. It's creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutritious. Perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a post-workout boost. This isn't just any green smoothie. It's creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutritious. You'll be amazed at how these simple ingredients come together to create something so tasty. Some people think green smoothies are either unappetizing or difficult to make, but let me show you just how easy and tasty this one can be. You don't need to be a master chef to whip up this delightful drink. First up, let's gather our ingredients. A handful of fresh spinach, which is a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and K. 1 ripe avocado, which provides those heart-healthy fats and a creamy texture. A banana for natural sweetness and a good amount of potassium. A cup of almond milk, which is a great dairy-free alternative that makes everything nice and creamy. And a tablespoon of honey to bring it all together with a hint of sweetness. These ingredients are not only healthy, but also complement each other perfectly. Spinach gives you a hefty dose of vitamins A, C, and K, while avocado provides those heart-healthy fats. Together, they create a nutrient-rich base for our smoothie. The banana adds natural sweetness and a good amount of potassium, and almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that makes everything nice and creamy. It's the perfect combination for a smooth and delicious drink. Lastly, a touch of honey brings it all together with a hint of sweetness. Now, let's get blending. This is where the magic happens. Start by adding your spinach to the blender, then scoop in the avocado. These two ingredients form the nutritious base of our smoothie. Peel and break up the banana, toss it in, pour in the almond milk, and finally add that drizzle of honey. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor and health benefits. Secure the lid, blend until smooth, and you've got yourself a vibrant green goodness. Look at that. The color alone is enough to make your mouth water. It's smooth, it's green, and it's ready to give you a serious health boost. This smoothie is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your body. Drinking this spinach avocado smoothie regularly can help improve digestion, provide essential nutrients, and keep you full and satisfied. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your diet. Plus, it's a fantastic way to start your day or recharge after a workout. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a post-exercise refuel, this smoothie has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Give this smoothie a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you. Give this smoothie a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing how you enjoy these recipes. And hey, if you have any smoothie recipes of your own, I'd love to hear them. Sharing is caring, and we can all benefit from each other's healthy ideas. Don't forget to check out my other healthy recipe videos for more delicious ideas. There's a whole world of nutritious and tasty recipes waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay healthy and happy. Until next time, keep blending and stay vibrant.